Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys how to fix YouTube slow loading and then lagging in Google Chrome. So first, click on the three bars right here on the top right corner and then just go to settings, and then once you're at the settings, search up for hardware acceleration and then just disable it and then relaunch Google Chrome. And then what you want to do next is click on extensions and then try disabling all of your extensions and then check out YouTube again if it's still lagging or not. So for example, I'll just disable this, and then just go back to YouTube and then check if it's still lagging. And then if all of those doesn't work, I have read online that you should disable your ad blocker for YouTube. So I will disable my ad blocker, and a lot of people are saying that this really works the best for them by disabling your ad blocker. So once you have disabled ad blocker, your YouTube won't lag anymore or won't have slow loading speed. So yeah, unfortunately that is one of the best ways to fix YouTube that is slowly loading or lagging. Then if that doesn't work, go to About Chrome and then check if your Chrome is up to date. So mine is up to date, so make sure to check yours if it's updated as well. And then next, go to Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings, and then click on View Permissions and Data Stored Across Sites. Click on YouTube, and then just click on Reset Permissions. Just click on Reset. And then lastly, if that doesn't work as well, go to Reset Settings, and then just click on this thing right here that says Restore settings to their original defaults, and then just click on Reset Settings. So this action will reset Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies and other temporary site data. So yeah, just click on that, and yeah, those are all the ways on how to fix YouTube that is lagging or loading slowly in Google Chrome. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.